Okay guys, for today's video, ang topic natin is all about Ohm's Law. Okay? Ang formula na kailangan natin for Ohm's Law ay simply voltage ay equal to current multiply by resistance. Okay? Or sa ibang books, ang reference sila, E is equal to IR. Okay? Where V is for voltage, I is for current, and R is equal to resistance. Okay? So here, may sample tayo. If meron tayong voltage na 10 volts, okay? Then, meron tayong resistor na 5 ohms, okay? Ano si current? Okay? So, simply, voltage is equivalent to current multiplied by R. Okay? So, by using cross multiplication, lipat lang natin ito si R dito sa baba. So, okay, meron tayong tapos yung voltage over R is equal to I. Okay? So, I is equal to, voltage natin is 10 volts. 10 over R natin ay 5. Meron tayong 2 amperes. Okay? So, pag voltage naman ang hinahanap, tapos meron tayong given na current I is equal to 10 amps. Okay? Meron tayong resistor na merong 5 ohms. Okay? To find the voltage, you'll just simply multiply it. Voltage is equal to current, okay, multiply by resistor. Okay? So meron tayong 50 volts. Okay?